So this is the look that I've created. I hope you like it. So if you do like it, continue watching this video, okay? So for today's tutorial, I've decided to only show you how I do my eyeshadow and also some part of my faces like shadings and blusher. I started off my eye color with MAC Cosmetic Carbon. The black color is only applied at the edge of my eyelids and some on below my waterline. When I was done with that, now I move on to a maroon color. This eye color is actually by Inglot Cosmetics. So I am applying this maroon color all over my lid, and I'm also applying it slightly above my crease line to make it visible when I do open up my eyes. So what I'm gonna do next is to combine both colors. First is the carbon by MAC Cosmetic and also the maroon by Inglot Cosmetics. This will be applied on my eyelid to blend out the color that I've applied previously. Is to make sure that there's no harsh line and you can see a smooth transition between the color throughout my eyelid. Next, moving on to the eyeliner. I'm using black eyeliner by Fame Cosmetics. This is quite a tricky part, especially for those who are not used to doing makeup on daily basis. But don't worry about it. My advice is for you to keep on practicing until you can get it perfect. Using a small brush, I moved on to applying my eye pigment. This eye pigment is by Inglot Cosmetic. It's code 82. So I gently apply it across my eyelid to add some shimmer and fun to it. Now that I'm almost done with my eyes, I'm checking out myself in the mirror and all is well. I mean, what else would a girl do with all this makeup on the face, right? On to the mascara. I am using Magnum Volume Express from Maybelline. So I apply to both my upper lash and also my lower lash. I've also put on my eyelashes for this look actually. So moving on to the powder. This powder I use to mainly do shading on my nose and also to contour my cheek. The powder that I'm using is from MAC Cosmetic, code NC42. If you have lighter or darker skin than I do, you can choose whichever code that you think will give the best effect for you. The key is to get a few shades darker than your actual skin color. Now onto the cheeks. For the cheeks, I am using Inglot Cosmetic blusher in code 61 with my Sigma blusher brush. So I slapped on some of my red lipstick by Huda, but I think something is still missing. Ta-da! And I'm done. Here you are. This is my Bollywood look, especially for you guys. I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, please excuse me while I get on my Bollywood groove, and I'll see you during my next video.